Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Xiaomi Mix Flip. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to a Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to scroll down again and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your Google account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store. Then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern again. And here you have to enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. And now I have to click I agree. Then scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.